Everybody, this is Tawfiq sir. In the last video, I started the problem of partnership. We started very long answer question of 20 marks. Once again, I am telling you, these questions are from Telangana State Intermediate Second Year Accounting textbook. So, for the purpose of reference, you can take with you that textbook. So, we started a problem yesterday where I solved on the board only one account, that was revaluation account. Okay. So always remember, as I told you, I have been telling you from the beginning of my classes that in the case of admission of a partner, we have to prepare 5 things. First of all, revaluation account, then goodwill account, then cash or bank account, then partner's capital account, and then balance sheet. In the last class, we completed revaluation account. We prepared revaluation account. There were 2 partners, Ram and Rahim, old partners, and we admitted a new person as a partner. He was Peter. Okay. And after the admission of a new partner, what we have to prepare, sir? First of all, revaluation account. So we prepare revaluation account. In revaluation account, we got finally the difference on the debit side. What was the difference, sir? It was around 2750. Okay. So we wrote it as 2 revaluation profit and we distributed this among 2 partners. Who are they? Ram and Rahim. Ram, how much he got? 1100. And how much Rahim got? 1650. So now continuing the same problem. Okay. I already gave you revaluation account. Now in the series of 5 accounts and statement, revaluation account is over now. Now I have to do the second one, and the second one is goodwill account. So be with me, everybody, concentrate here. Goodwill account I am preparing now. Goodwill account. Same pro forma, there is no change in the pro forma. No need to write any date column, just particulars. Amount, and again particulars amount. Right hand side top corner CR, left hand side top corner DR. That is debit side and this is credit side. Now listen here, the most important accounting treatment in every problem of admission of a partner is goodwill treatment. So everybody understand this concept. First of all, see, in the problem we appointed a new partner. Who is the new partner? Mr. Peter. When we appointed him, what he is bringing with him? 2 things, capital and also goodwill. Now what was the value of goodwill, sir? You see in the problem, the value of goodwill was see, the goodwill value was 20,000. What I told you, in case of admission of partner, there are only 2 cases of goodwill. First case, when the goodwill is brought in cash. Second case, when the goodwill is raised, valued or created. Okay, in every question you have to identify the case for goodwill. Now which one is this case given in the question? You see there, Peter should bring 40,000 for capital and 20,000 for goodwill in cash. This is the same question which I started yesterday. I am continuing the rest of the part of this question. This is on page number 238, question number 1. Once again I am telling you, this question I have taken from TS Intermediate Second Year Accounting textbook, page number 238, question number 1. This one is a question for 20 marks. We have already prepared revaluation account. Now I am preparing goodwill account. So here we have to identify the case for goodwill. See, 20,000 for goodwill is brought in cash. Which one is this case? First one, sir. What was the first case when the goodwill is brought in cash? So here the incoming partner is bringing goodwill in cash. So what I told you in my chart, what I gave you, that one, first one, when the goodwill is brought in cash, simultaneously we have to pass the 2 entries. 2 entries, sir, where we are passing entries here? We are preparing ledger account here. What I am telling you, not to pass the entries, only for the sake of understanding its entry, its posting in the ledger, I gave you the entries. Okay, so simultaneously 2 entries we have to understand. We have to pass 2 entries. Cash to goodwill is 1 entry. Second entry is goodwill to old partners. What is the first entry, sir? Cash to goodwill. Second entry, goodwill to old partners. Now these 2 entries, or you can say the second entry, goodwill to old partners, we should pass in which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. But for sacrificing ratio, what is the formula, sir? Old ratio minus new ratio. So agar sacrificing ratio nikalna hai, to separately in the question he should give you old ratio and also new ratio. But in this question, new ratio is not given separately. Peter is appointed for how much share, sir? 1/5 share. But after the appointment of Peter, the new ratio among Ram, Rahim and Peter together is not given. So when new ratio is separately not given, listen carefully, I am telling you an important point. When new ratio separately is not given in the question, what you have to assume? Old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. Old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. तो ये problem में sacrificing ratio calculate करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Sir, why sir we are not calculating sacrificing ratio? Because new ratio separately not given in the question. अगर new ratio देता होता तो old में से new minus करके जो ratio आता अपन क्या लेते थे उसको sacrificing ratio. But here new ratio separately not given, so sacrificing ratio is the old ratio. तो in simple words जो भी entries pass करना है goodwill के ये केस में we should pass in old ratio only, assuming that old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. So what is the entry? First one cash to goodwill. सेकेंड एंट्री गुडविल टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. कैश टू गुडविल एक एंट्री है, जब उसको लेजर में पोस्ट करते हैं इट विल हैव टू इफेक्ट्स, इन द कैश अकाउंट टू गुडविल एंड इन द गुडविल अकाउंट बाय कैश. अंडरस्टूड? द एंट्री विल बी वन बट इट हैज गॉट टू इफेक्ट्स. सो व्हेन आई एम सेइंग कैश टू गुडविल, करना क्या है सर? कैश में गुडविल को डेबिट करना है, गुडविल में कैश को क्रेडिट करना है. सो दिस इज गुडविल अकाउंट. सो ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ गुडविल अकाउंट हियर यू हैव टू राइट बाय व्हाट इज गिवन इन द बैलेंस शीट. यू सी बैंक इज गिवन. So better you use bank. Okay. Several times I told you, you have to prepare cash or bank account. दोनों में से कोई एक बनाना है. बनाना कौन सा सर? Which one is given in the balance sheet? Now what is given in the balance sheet? Bank account. So here you have to write by bank. So I am passing the first entry. Cash to goodwill is the entry. You can take it as bank to goodwill. Okay na? So in goodwill account by bank. What is the value of goodwill sir? 20,000. Okay. This entry is over. Bank to goodwill. सेकेंड एंट्री क्या आती है सर? अच्छा, इसका दूसरा इफेक्ट क्या था? नाउ यू प्रिपेयर द बैंक अकाउंट. सो बिलो दिस आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग वन अकाउंट विच इज कॉल्ड बैंक अकाउंट. एनी हाउ गुडविल के बाद कौन सा अकाउंट बनाना है सर? बैंक अकाउंट तो बनाना ही है. सो आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग हियर बैंक अकाउंट. सेम प्रोफॉर्मा, नो नीड टू राइट डेट कॉलम, पर्टिकुलर्स, अमाउंट. हियर ऑल्सो पर्टिकुलर्स, अमाउंट. राइट हैंड टॉप कॉर्नर CR, left hand top corner DR. So this is bank account. So what I am telling you, what entry we are passing? Bank to goodwill. तो goodwill में कहाँ पर लिखना है? By bank. See in goodwill account we credited here. यहाँ पर goodwill में क्रेडिट करें मतलब somewhere we have to debit. अगर कहीं पर क्रेडिट करें तो नेक्स्ट एफर्ट क्या होता है? उसको कहीं ना कहीं डेबिट भी करना है. डेबिट कहाँ करना है सर? ये क्या लिखे आप? बाई बैंक लिखे ना. सो गो टू बैंक अकाउंट. ऑन द डेबिट साइड यू राइट टू गुडविल. What is the value sir? 20,000. Understood everybody? Listen once again. The entry is bank to goodwill. One entry will have two effects. Bank to goodwill मतलब क्या? एक बार goodwill account में लिखना, एक बार bank account में लिखना. You start from the bank account or your goodwill account. Both answer will be same. Suppose entry, what is the entry now? Bank to goodwill. So in the bank account debit side you write to goodwill. Okay. Bank को debit करे तो somewhere we have to credit. Where we have to credit? You read this point. What you have written here? Goodwill. So go to goodwill account. On the credit side you write by bank. Then first entry is over. What is second entry for goodwill sir? Goodwill to old partners. So go to goodwill account and here you write to old partners. Who are the old partners sir? Ram. So here you have to write Ram's capital apostrophe S. Don't write only Ram. Write Ram's capital apostrophe S to Ram's capital and then next one to Rahim's capital. एंट्री क्या है सर? गुडविल टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. अब अपने प्रॉब्लम में ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कौन कौन है? राम एंड रहीम. तो हाउ मच इज द वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल? 20,000. विच रेशियो वी हैव टू फॉलो? अभी समझाया मैं. रेशियो शुड बी सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो बट इन द क्वेश्चन सेपरेटली न्यू रेशियो इज नॉट गिवन सो वी कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. ओल्ड रेशियो इटसेल्फ इज सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. व्हाट वाज द ओल्ड रेशियो सर? 2:3 ना. देखो क्वेश्चन में 2:3 दिया रहा हूं तो इंटू 2/5 एंड हियर ऑल्सो 20,000 इंटू 3/5. Yesterday I told you the logic. In the last video I told you the logic. 2:3 ratio है. उसको डिवाइड कैसा करते हैं सर? 2:3 को. Ram will get 2/5 and Rahim will get 3/5. वो by 5 कैसा आ रहा सर? 2 + 3 how much? 5 only. So one amount of 20,000 you have to divide among the two partners in sacrificing ratio. Old ratio itself is sacrificing ratio here. So 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8,000. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12,000. Just now I told you every entry will have two effects. अभी पास करें ना बैंक टू गुडविल. इन द बैंक अकाउंट वी रोट ऑन डेबिट साइड टू गुडविल. इन गुडविल अकाउंट वी रोट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड बाय बैंक. नाउ सेकंड एंट्री क्या है? गुडविल टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. अंडर गुडविल अकाउंट ऑन द डेबिट साइड आई एम राइटिंग ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. यहाँ पर डेबिट करें गुडविल को तो कहीं ना कहीं क्रेडिट भी करना है. कहाँ पर क्रेडिट करते सर? नाउ इन द लिस्ट what I told you 5 things we have to prepare. Revaluation account we prepared in the last video. Now this is goodwill account, this is bank account. Next account क्या था? अपना जो series बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Whatever the series I am telling you, whatever the accounts and statement I told you, the fourth one what we have to prepare is partners capital account. Okay. This one should be a bigger one because we have to prepare here the combined partners capital account. How many partners are there including the new partner, you tell me? Ram and Rahim to all partners hai. Naya partner kaun join hua? Peter. So how many partners are there now? 3 partners. So 3 columns I have to draw both on the debit side and also on the credit side because it is partners capital account. Agar A, B, C, D 4 partner rahe to we have to draw 4 columns on the debit side and also on the credit side. See, listen. This is Ram amount, this is Rahim amount, and this is Peter amount. And again, Ram account, and again Rahim, and the last one is Peter, CR, and here DR. In the middle, what you have to write, sir? Partners capital account. Again here partners के बाद क्या लिखना है? Apostrophe S. Partners capital account. And here you can write particulars. Here also you can write particulars. So this is the pro forma of partners capital account. Both on the debit and credit side you have to write the name of all the partners. Ram, Rahim, Peter. Credit side में क्या लिखना है? Ram, Rahim, Peter. Particulars. Okay ना? Now what we have to do, sir? Revaluation account is over. We prepared it in the last video. Then goodwill का treatment भी कर लिए. Okay. Then what we have to do is now you come to balance sheet. You see the balance sheet. Asset side what is given, sir? Bank. Okay. अभी करना क्या है, sir? You come from the balance sheet now. You see the balance sheet asset side. पहले पूरे assets को clear करो. Then clear all the liabilities. You see the balance sheet asset side. First of all, what is given? Bank. How much it is? 10,000. We are preparing the bank account here. We are preparing bank account here. So what you do is go to debit side. Okay. In the bank account, this goodwill account should be rubbed. Goodwill account को नीचे लिखेंगे थोड़ा. We will write goodwill account below. Okay. To goodwill. How much, sir? 20,000. तो फिर यहाँ पर क्या लिखते हैं, sir? What is the balance of bank in the balance sheet? 10,000 ना? तो that we have to write here to balance brought down. How much it is? 10,000. Always remember, only the items of adjustments we have to repeat 2 times. Okay. Remaining all items we can write 1 time only. Okay. Bank लिख लिया, to balance brought down आ गया 10,000. The next item, debtors. Where do you write debtors? Simultaneously. Okay. See, in the series of accounts, whatever I told you, first was revaluation account, then goodwill account, then bank account, then partners capital account. What was the last one? Balance sheet. So here you draw the pro forma of balance sheet. If you draw all these pro formas together, that will be of great help to you. It is better to draw two columns in the balance sheet. One is inner column, another one is outer column. Amount. In this side you can write all assets, and here you can write amount, here also amount, and here you have to write liabilities. Always remember, it is a statement. Balance sheet is a statement, so no need to write debit side, no need to write credit side. Liabilities amount, assets amount. On the top what you have to write here? Balance sheet of firm. Here you are preparing the balance sheet of partnership firm, so the name should be firm. As on which date, sir? As on the day when you are appointing the new partner. देखो क्वेश्चन में कब अपॉइंट करें न्यू पार्टनर को? When we appointed him on 1st April 2019. So here you have to write 1st April 2019. Okay na? So my suggestion to you is, whenever you solve the 20 marks problems of partnership, what you do is, first of all you draw all the pro formas together. Okay, in your notebook on the first page you draw revaluation account, goodwill account, bank account. Half page should be taken for revaluation account. In the remaining half page you adjust goodwill account and bank account. On the next page you draw half partners capital account, in the remaining half you prepare the balance sheet, so that whenever the examiner evaluates your paper, 20 mark answer should be available in 2 pages only. It should not exceed beyond 2 pages. So what I am telling you, on the first page, half of the page you take for revaluation account, in the remaining half you adjust goodwill account and bank account. On the next page, half of the page you take for partners capital account and half of the page you take for balance sheet. This is the way we present our answers in the examination. Understood everybody? So presentation also carries marks in the examination. Solving the problem with correct answer is not sufficient. You will be out of 20 marks, you will be given 18 or 17 marks. 3 or 2 marks will be awarded only for the sake of good presentation. So what I am telling you, whenever you are solving the problem of 20 marks, whether from admission of a partner or from retirement of a partner, first page, half of the page you take for revaluation account, in the remaining half you draw goodwill account and bank account. On the next page, half you take for partners capital account and the remaining half you take for balance sheet. And one of the most important thing which I am telling you now, listen to this point. Whenever I am solving the problem on the board, my suggestion to you is you also practice with me in a notebook. Okay, later on if you try to solve the problem, you may not get it. Okay, so wherever you are getting doubt, you pause the video. And if doubt deserves to be asked in the video, then you can ask your doubts in the comment section. Okay, now? So be with me everybody. We are preparing balance sheet now. See, bank we covered. The next item is what? Debtors. Debtors value how much, sir? 40,000. So in the balance sheet asset side, we have to write here debtors. Debtors value is how much, sir? 40,000. I am writing this inner column. I am writing this in inner column because there is an adjustment in debtors. You see the adjustment? Adjustment we already covered in revaluation account. As I told you, adjustment will have two effects. एक बार revaluation account में आता है, एक बार balance sheet में आता है. देखो आप adjustment number 4 पढ़ो, D वाला adjustment provide for bad debts at the rate of 5% on debtors. So here we have to minus less provision for bad debts. Open the bracket. 40,000 into 5 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel. 5 4s are 2,000. 40 minus 2 is how much? 38,000. Okay, 38,000. The next item after debtors, sir, what is the next item? Stock. 30,000 is the value of stock. On stock also there is an adjustment. See, again you write stock on asset side. All these are assets only. So they will come in the balance sheet asset side only. So stock value is how much? 30,000. From this 30,000, you see what is the adjustment? B wala adjustment dekho, depreciate furniture and stock by 10%. We have to reduce. Depreciate means what? Reduce. So here less revaluation. 30,000 into 10%. 10 divided by 100. 0 0 0 0. It will be how much, sir? 3,000. 30 minus 3 will be 27,000. See, you observe the point here. From the stock, I am subtracting not depreciation, revaluation. Depreciation is not the good word for stock because the stock is a current asset. So depreciation we can use for fixed assets. So here you should write the word revaluation. The next item, after stock, investments. Is there any adjustment on investment? No. Agar adjustment nahi hai, then what we have to do? Directly we have to write the amount in outer column. So investments. What is the amount, sir? 20,000. So like this we have to clear all the items in balance sheet. First start from asset side. Then next item, furniture kitna hai? 25,000. Furniture value is 25,000. You see there is a adjustment on furniture. Depreciate furniture by 5%. Depreciation means what we have to do? Minus less depreciation. Open the bracket. 25,000 into what is the rate of depreciation? 5%. 5 divided by 100. 1,250. You subtract this. How much you will get, sir? 23,750. Right, the next item, buildings. Buildings के ऊपर भी adjustment है. क्या है देखो buildings का adjustment? Appreciate. How much we have to appreciate? 15%. अच्छा, appreciate means what? We have to add or less? Add. Appreciate means value is increasing. So on the asset side, buildings, 60,000 is the value. To this we have to add appreciation. 60,000 का कितना percent है appreciation? You see there 15%. 15 divided by 100. 0000 cancel. 600 into 15 is how much? 9,000. Now 60 plus 9 we have to do. 69,000. Be careful there. I have to add 9,000 to 60,000, because what is the word used there? Appreciation. So like this, asset side is over. Now come to liability side. You see the first item, what is given there? Bills payable. It is a liability. So here also in the balance sheet, liability side you write bills payable, but leave here few lines for capital. Here we have to write capital, and here you can write bills payable. Any adjustment? No adjustment, sir. So directly you can write the amount in inner column, 25,000. Next item, trade creditors. Any adjustment? No adjustment. So directly you can write in the outer column how much? 50,000. Next item, general reserves. What do you mean by general reserve? These are like the past profits. So these are the past profits. Old profits है. किसकी property है ये? Old partners की. Who are the old partners here? Ram and Rahim. So this profit we should give to only Ram and Rahim. Peter तो अभी आया. He will not get any share in this past profits. So how will you give this share? देखो जनरल रिजर्व है, करना क्या? यू गो टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड यू लीव हियर वन लाइन. बिलो दिस यू कैन राइट बाय जनरल रिजर्व्स. बट दिस अमाउंट यू हैव टू राइट गिव ओनली टू राम एंड रहीम. पीटर विल नॉट गेट एनीथिंग. हाउ मच इज द वैल्यू सर? 20,000. अब 20,000 को राम और रहीम में डिवाइड करना है. हाउ डू यू डिवाइड? व्हाट इज द रेशियो गिवन? ओल्ड रेशियो 2:3. सो नाउ 20,000 into 2 by 5. 5 1 za, 5 4 za. 4 2 za how much? 8,000. Ram will get 8,000. How sir? 20,000 into 2 by 5. How much Rahim will get? 20,000 into 3 by 5. Leftover balance, it will be how much sir? 12,000. फिर से उन दोनों को ऐड करो तो 20,000 आना. You see 12,000 plus 8,000, 20,000. तो how I divided this? 20,000 को दोनों में डिवाइड कैसा करें सर? 20,000 into 2 by 5 फॉर राम, 20,000 into 3 by 5 फॉर रहीम. ये 2 by 5 3 by 5 कैसा आ रहा? ओल्ड रेशियो दोनों के बीच में. देन नेक्स्ट आइटम P&L. अगेन व्हाट इज P&L सर? इट इज लाइक द पास्ट प्रॉफिट, सेम लाइक जनरल रिजर्व्स ओनली. ओके, तो डिवाइड इन द सेम वे बाय P&L. हाउ मच इज द वैल्यू सर? 10,000. अगेन द सेम रेशियो, 10,000 into 2 by 5 राम, 10,000 into 3 by 5 रहीम. यानी तो छोटी सी लॉजिक याद रखो, जब ये 20,000 को ऐसा डिवाइड करें, हाउ डू यू डिवाइड 10,000? हाफ ऑफ दिस, हाफ ऑफ दिस. 8 का हाफ 4, 12,000 का हाफ 6,000. और यू कैन गो बाय द नॉर्मल लॉजिक. 10,000 into 2 by 5 is Ram's share, 10,000 into 3 by 5 is Rahim's share. P&L is over. The next item, capitals. राम और रहीम का कैपिटल दिया उन्हें. क्या करना सर? ये जो जगह छोड़े ना, फर्स्ट लाइन, हियर यू हैव टू राइट बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. कितना है राम का? 50,000. और रहीम का कितना है सर? 30,000. So in this way we covered all the items in the balance sheet. Now आप चेक करो कोई भी एडजस्टमेंट छूट गया क्या? इज देयर एनी एडजस्टमेंट लेफ्ट ओवर? यू सी द फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट, ए वाला क्या पड़े पर? पीटर शुड ब्रिंग 40,000 फॉर कैपिटल. हु इज पीटर? न्यू पार्टनर. न्यू पार्टनर विल ब्रिंग कैपिटल. कितना लेके आ रहा हूँ? 40,000. एडजस्टमेंट है, 2 बार इफेक्ट करता. यू हैव टू राइट इट 2 टाइम्स. कैसा करना सर? गो टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. कितना लेके आ रहा पीटर सर? 40,000. तो हियर यू कैन राइट बाय बैंक 40,000. पीटर इज ब्रिंगिंग 40,000. एडजस्टमेंट है, 2 बार इफेक्ट करता सर. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल में क्रेडिट साइड लिखे तो समवेयर वी हैव टू राइट ऑन द डेबिट साइड. वेयर डू यू राइट सर? यहां पर क्या वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं आप? बैंक. सो गो टू बैंक अकाउंट. ऑन द डेबिट साइड यू राइट हियर टू पीटर्स कैपिटल. कितना सर? 40,000. So it is adjustment, it will affect 2 times. One time on the credit side there, वहाँ पर credit करें मतलब somewhere we have to debit. Where I have to debit sir? What is the name I am using there? Bank. So under bank account you can write 2 Peter's capital. Then remaining adjustment sir, 20,000 for goodwill in cash. Once again I am repeating the same adjustment. Listen to me carefully. See the same thing I am repeating consistently. You have to understand the importance of this particular adjustment. Goodwill is a very core adjustment. It will be there in every problem. Out of 20 marks, goodwill will cover 7 to 8 marks. So you have to concentrate on this. Very very important thing. Goodwill के cases कितने हैं sir? Admission of a partner में strictly 2 cases only. What is the first case? When the goodwill is brought in cash. Second case, when the goodwill is raised, valued or created. Now which case is given in the question? When the goodwill is brought in cash. When the goodwill is brought in cash, what we have to do? We have to pass 2 entries. एक के बाद एक pass करेंगे. What is the first entry sir? Cash to goodwill. Okay, don't use cash here because bank is there. You can write bank to goodwill. अब ये एंट्री है, इसको पास कैसा करना सर? पोस्टिंग कैसा करना? 2 बार इफेक्ट करता सर ये. गो टू बैंक अकाउंट. ऑन द डेबिट साइड टू गुडविल. एंट्री क्या है? बैंक टू गुडविल. सो अंडर बैंक अकाउंट यू राइट टू गुडविल. ओके, हियर वी डेबिटेड. बैंक में डेबिट करे, समवेयर वी हैव टू क्रेडिट, वेयर वी हैव टू क्रेडिट, व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग हियर, गुडविल. सो गो टू गुडविल अकाउंट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड, बाय बैंक 20,000. Okay, first entry is over. Second one, goodwill to old partners. So under goodwill account, 2 old partners. Who are the old partners? Ram and Rahim. Okay na? Which ratio? Sacrificing ratio. But new ratio is separately not given, so old ratio becomes sacrificing ratio. Entry will be goodwill to old partners. Goodwill account में डेबिट करें, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं क्रेडिट भी करना है. कहाँ पर क्रेडिट करते सर? What is the name you are using here? Ram's capital, Rahim's capital. So go to Ram and Rahim capital. On the credit side, you write here by goodwill. किसके कॉलम में लिखना है सर? ओनली राम एंड रहीम. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ राम्स कैपिटल हियर? 8,000. रहीम्स कैपिटल 12,000. पीटर विल नॉट गेट एनीथिंग. That is the accounting treatment for goodwill. That's it. We covered all the adjustments. Everything is over now. Now what is pending? See, in the last video we prepared revaluation account. We got revaluation profit on the debit side. 2 revaluation profit आया था. क्या लिखे थे? राम्स कैपिटल, देन रहीम्स कैपिटल, डेबिट साइड लिखे थे. ओके, मतलब revaluation account का जो आंसर आ रहा, that we have to carry forward to partners capital account. Here whatever we are preparing, everything one way or the other will go to balance sheet only, and this is the reason balance sheet will tally. So when you are preparing revaluation account, on the debit side you got the answer. What is that one? Revaluation profit, Ram's capital, Rahim's capital. वहाँ पर डेबिट में लिखे, तो उसको ट्रांसफर कहाँ पर करते हैं? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल. On the credit side you can write here by revaluation profit. कितना आया था सर वो लास्ट वीडियो में? 1100 for Ram and 1650 for Rahim. Okay, revaluation account result we transfer it to partners capital account. Then next one is what? Goodwill account. Now you see goodwill account, you balance this. On the debit side how much? 20,000. On the credit side how much? 20,000. So here you will not get any balance in goodwill account. देखो दोनों भी tally हो गया, debit side and also credit side. Always remember, as a general rule you remember, in first case of goodwill, when the goodwill is brought in cash, the account will get tallied. Debit and credit, both the sides will be same. Balance carried down, balance brought down नहीं आता. Okay. The next one, bank account, you total this. On the debit side, how much you are getting? 10, 20, 40 means 70,000. How much on the credit side? 0. Write the biggest amount in both the accounts. Here 70 and here also 70. Come किधर है sir? Where you are getting difference on the credit side? What do you write here? By balance carried down 70,000. What I am telling you, every account result we have to carry forward to the another account. Revaluation account का result कहाँ पर डाले? Partners capital account. Goodwill में कुछ बचा नहीं, बचता तो कहाँ पर लिखते थे? Balance sheet. Okay, in the first case of goodwill account, debit and credit side will be equal. No balance will be left in the goodwill account. So leave it as it is. Now bank का total करें अपन. Bank में आंसर कितना आ रहा? By balance carried down 70,000. So where we have to write this? Go to balance sheet, asset side. Here you have to write bank. How much sir? 70,000. Bank account is over. We tallied this. Now come to partners capital account. See, every item is on the credit side. Debit side is 0. Now you do balancing. One by one करो. Last से start करो. Peter. How much? Peter amount now? 40,000 credit side. Debit में भी कितना रहना चाहिए? 40,000. So here we can write to balance carried down C by D. How much? 40,000. The next one, you total this. 24, 6, 30, 30, 60. Here it will be 61,650. Here also 61,650 and here also 61,650. The next one, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 70, 71,100 and here also 71,100. So this is the answer of partners capital account. What is the answer sir? This balance carried down value. Listen once again, revaluation account का जो आंसर है वो कहाँ पर लिखे? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. गुडविल का जो आंसर है वो कहाँ पर आता? बैलेंस शीट में. कुछ बैलेंस बचा तो आता. हियर नथिंग इज लेफ्ट इन द गुडविल अकाउंट, सो आई लेफ्ट इट एज इट इज. बैंक का जो आंसर है वो कहाँ पर आता? बैलेंस शीट में. नाउ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, यू आर गेटिंग द आंसर. व्हाट इज योर आंसर ऑफ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट सर? टू बैलेंस कैपिटल लिखे ना ये पूरे. वेयर डू यू राइट दिस? जगह छोड़े ना, कैपिटल्स अकाउंट. सो इन दिस प्लेस यू हैव टू राइट कैपिटल्स. हेडिंग बिलो दिस यू कैन राइट राम. राम का कैपिटल कितना है? 71,100 एंड फॉर रहीम कितना कैपिटल है? 61,650 एंड लास्टली फॉर पीटर व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल सर? 40,000. अब इसको इनर से आउटर कॉलम में लेके आओ. टोटल कर लो. 0, 5, 1 plus 6 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2 and here 1. 172, 750. We prepared the revaluation account, transfer the result to partners capital account. We prepared the goodwill account, we prepared the bank account, partners capital account. Finally, what is important is balance sheet. And you know the basic rule, balance sheet assets and liabilities should be equal. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay? But that will not happen. Your answer will be correct because every posting we are doing here. Okay? But total this on the debit side, how much you are getting? 0, 5, 7, and here 2 plus 5, 7, and then 5 plus 2, 7 plus 7, 14, carry 1 here, 2. Liability side, how much is the answer? 2, 4, 7, 7, 5, 0. Now on the asset side also, total this, last digit 0, second last digit 5, third digit is 0, and here it is 7, then 4 digit 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 8 is 27. Carry 2 here, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 7 is 24. So you see, both on assets and liability side, the amount is equal, 247750, there also 247750. So this is the way we solve the 20 marks problem. In my next video, I will be solving on the board 120 mark problem completely in one video only. So you try to concentrate on that video and try to understand that video. And most importantly, I am telling you few important tips over here, so listen carefully. Whenever I am solving one problem on the board, my suggestion to you is you also practice with me taking a notebook, so that whenever you get the doubt, you will get the clarification there only. Okay, if you are unable to understand any part of the ledger account which I am preparing, pause the video there, try to understand it. Even then, if you are unable to understand, then ask your doubt in the comment section to me. Okay, na? This is the way we prepare 20 marks answer. Okay, so if there are any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you. Take care.